search. If you have no internet, you may wanna have this dinosaur game. This is a game. Yep, you know the no internet game? Yep, here it is. T-Rex dinosaur. Boom! I play this a lot when I have no internet. Boom, basta. Ah! Okay. 2, 3! If the world has the do you? If the world has any what are we? Whoa! Okay, I quit this. Next game. Next. Search Google. Click this. Yo! Damn! You can do this. Google. La 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 la. I have so much fun. Okay, next game. Next game is next game. This is not actually a game. You search Minecraft and you see there's something popped up. So you see this. There's something is calling me, bro. So it's my dad. Don't worry, my mom is doing it. So there's this button. We click. Oh my god! Yeah. There's the button. There's Steve and you point X. There's a creeper soda. Boom. And if you search again, Batman Google. Look, there's an Easter egg. Batman Easter egg. Here is the Easter egg. What happened to my game? What game is this? Oh, I know that. Space Float. There's another game called Space Floating Google Easter egg. There you go, Easter egg. Yep. Oh! Ano here? How about this? Thanos snap. Nothing. Oh. Tile. Underwater. There's underwater. Yep, more fish. Yep, if you search, I remember this. More fish. Please. Yep. There's. Yep. Okay. See the little fishies. Oh my god. Feeling lucky. Yo! Okay. Boom, banana. Na. Next game. You search up Pac-Man. Play a little game. Damn. Please, I'm freaking done. Oh, next game. Yep, I don't like that. I played that and I hate that. Dinosaur in 3D. Yeah, T-Rex. Yeah, T-Rex 1 3D. And there's one T-Rex. Boom! Boom! Intro. What the hell is that? Yep, that's pretty boring. What's this? Okay. How? How? Am I just gonna wait? No, I'm not gonna wait. The wizard. Oh, what was it? Yep, I'm not. No. What the hell is that? Okay, no. Black hole? What the hell is the black ocean? So gravity? What the hell is a gravity? Yeah. Oh, this is so boring. Okay. Bye. Maybe I should end this now. These are nothing even compared. Oh. No. Oh, this is a lot. I like that. Wait, someone is calling. gonna take for 16 million hours. 16 million hours later. Dang it. It's gonna take for like 12 hours. Please! Gotta be kidding me! It's gonna take for like 16 million years. Super Mario Bros? Yeah, I like that. Like Super Mario Bros and also Minecraft. I have so many coins. The Google Matrix? What the hell is that? Oh, some kind of a trick. Pac-Man Adventure? What the hell?